Ladies and gentlemen, we have the top trending coins in the crypto community. Let's break this down right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. You know what you're watching. You're watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. The captain's here, Adam Shelton. And the first one on the list in terms of top trending, Dogecoin gained more than 98% in the previous month. Let's break this down one by one. Now, Dogecoin, since Tesla CEO Elon Musk completed the Twitter deal, Dogecoin been the most talked about or talkative meme coin in the crypto space. Elon Musk is a long-time fan of Doge, and his action would appear to boast it. Even Doge has flipped Cardano recently to rank as the 6th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. The second one on the list, we had Polygon MATIC. Now, Polygon MATIC result of several strategic alliances and integrations. Polygon MATIC rallied by more than 43% in the last 14 days. Most recently, Meta announced that it will allow or let users mint and sell NFTs or digital collectibles by the Polygon MATIC or the Polygon MATIC blockchain. Now, Polygon is trending following Meta's framework release announcements and becoming the first partner of Meta's new feature. Now, Polygon partnerships this year: Starbucks, Meta, Reddit, DraftKings, Disney, Adidas, NFL, Adobe, and now JPMC. That is a great partnership list. Congratulations to Polygon MATIC. And the third one is Gala, a blockchain gaming ecosystem. Gala is trending following the false statement of a multi-billion-dollar hack or rug pull on November 3rd. But late on Thursday, the Gala token briefly fell about around 25% due to an unfunded scam. Later, the blockchain company claimed that the Gala bridge was safe. Gala was not hacked. However, this is caused by a misconfigured bridge by the network DeFi. So those are the three ones. I'll say it again. We got Dogecoin, Polygon MATIC, and Gala are the three ones that's the most talked about and trending coins in the crypto space. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. You have been watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.